how to register on the Empower app. Now, Empower is a cash advance and credit application which you can use for various purposes, and if you want to register your own account on it, there are a couple of things that you will need. First of all, you must download the Empower application available on your App Store and Play Store. After that, open up the Empower app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now from here on, all you have to do is to register. You simply need to have a phone number. So go ahead and then make sure to enter a phone number that you would like to use in this case. And after you've made sure of that phone number, you can simply tap on the Let's Go option, and basically it will send an SMS code to the phone number. So enter the 6-digit code that you want to go ahead and verify. After you go ahead and enter the 6-digit code, you'll be prompted on the next page where you can enter a couple of other information including a password, and after that you will be able to go ahead and then basically register for the Empower app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.